County in South Central Minnesota until 1:15 p.m. At 12:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mansfield, over 13 miles west of Calvert Lee, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, orders 5 hail. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations affected include Brush Creek, Blackfoot, Craster, Walters, Mansfield, Alden, Collier, and Twin Lakes. Keep shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm that may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following counties: Freeborn, Minnesota. This is your weather radio.